Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving into something that is quite literally rewiring the way we live, the AI ripple effect. We're going to explore how these incredibly interconnected technologies aren't just sitting in a dusty lab somewhere. They're actually quietly but radically altering our daily routines, all while simultaneously reshaping massive global economies.
Seriously, take a second and think about it. How many times has AI actually helped you today? I mean, before you even started this explainer, did you silence a smart alarm? Did you check a customized weather report? Maybe you paid for your morning coffee with a quick tap of your phone, completely cashless. You see, we often don't even realize the invisible hand of artificial intelligence guiding our mornings. It's just so deeply embedded in our daily lives now.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. AI in your daily life. 2. Transforming global job sectors. 3. Home versus the workplace. 4. The role of Rasta Infotech. And 5. The challenges we face. Section 1. AI in your daily life.
The whole foundation of this shift really relies on a few key pillars. First up, AI assistance. We're moving way beyond just typing out text-based searches, right? Instead, real-time voice and video interactions are making our everyday tasks so much faster and deeply intuitive. You just speak, and boom, it happens. Then, you've got this massive ecosystem of smart devices. Your phone, your wearables, your connected appliances, they're constantly talking to each other. Add to that the whole digital payment revolution, which is making cashless transactions the absolute gold standard for convenience, and binding the whole shebang together, cloud platforms. They give you seamless access to all your data and services across every single device you own. When you put all of this together, it creates what's essentially an automated routine ecosystem. We aren't just talking about a cool gadget here or there anymore. We're talking about a fully connected environment that stretches from, say, tapping your phone for groceries, all the way to your smartwatch monitoring your healthcare metrics while you're fast asleep. And because everything is stored up on those cloud platforms, your personal productivity and even your home entertainment are just more seamless than ever before.
Section 2. Transforming global job sectors. Now, the exact same foundational technologies that are making your living room smart are currently revolutionizing entire global supply chains. Take agriculture. On a micro level, sure, maybe you have a smart sprinkler system in your backyard, but on a macro level, farming is being completely transformed by AI-driven sensors and massive robotics. These systems optimize crop yields for entire nations, and they drastically reduce the need for manual labor. It's essentially the exact same principle as your smart home, just applied to feeding the world.
And this scale applies to healthcare as well. We just mentioned your personal wearable, but if we look at a global sector scale, we're talking about life-saving AI diagnostics and telemedicine. This tech expands access to care in ways that are just incredible. But the crucial point is this. With all this sensitive medical data floating around in the cloud, it absolutely demands incredibly strong data governance. The convenience is high for sure, but the security stakes are even higher.
And the ripple effect just keeps going. In manufacturing, we're seeing immense efficiency through automation. Over in logistics, entire supply chains are being streamlined by autonomous vehicles. And in business management, leaders are suddenly armed with generative AI tools to make rapid-fire, highly informed decisions. However, just like we saw in healthcare, business leaders have to constantly balance this ruthless efficiency with responsible, thoughtful use.
Section 3. Home versus the workplace. And this brilliantly illustrates the intersection of our two worlds. Look at how perfectly they align. Take robotics. In your daily life, it's household automation, like your robot vacuum. On the job, it's driving massive manufacturing and agricultural efficiency. How about digital payments? You get faster personal transactions at the coffee shop, while the global economy sees a total transformation of the retail and finance sectors. Cloud platforms give you seamless app access on your phone, but globally, they're what makes remote work and international collaboration possible. And healthcare tech scales all the way from a simple wearable on your wrist up to robotic surgery in a major hospital.
If we isolate just the AI aspect for a second, the parallel is really striking. In your daily life, AI gives you personalized voice assistants and smart movie recommendations. It's totally built for your comfort. But in the job sector, that exact same pattern recognition technology leads to the complete automation of corporate tasks and the creation of entirely new AI-driven roles. Literally, your living room convenience is directly mirroring and driving corporate automation. Section 4. The role of Rasta Infotech.
So who helps businesses navigate all of this? Rasta Infotech operates as a really crucial integrator in this space. They integrate AI, cloud, and digital transformation solutions directly into their clients' operations. But they don't just drop the tech on a desk and run. They focus heavily on inclusive technology adoption. They help businesses transition smoothly and ensure that employees are actively being reskilled for the future, which is absolutely vital.
Now, what's really interesting about this is the focus on human retention time. By balancing technology with human reskilling, companies like Rasta Infotech aren't just boosting raw productivity, they're actually enhancing human retention time in digital experiences. It just goes to prove that even in a highly automated AI-driven world, the human element is irreplaceable. It is highly critical for genuine customer engagement.
Section 5. The challenges we face.
Let's slow down for a second, because there are three major hurdles we have to systematically walk through here. Number 1, confronting the digital divide. Number 2, addressing growing privacy concerns. And number 3, meeting those massive reskilling needs we just touched on. If we don't manage this massive transition properly, we risk leaving vulnerable populations and dedicated workers entirely behind.
Take the digital divide, for example. Unequal access to basic broadband and smart devices can completely exclude rural or low-income populations from this entire ecosystem. Simply put, if you can't access the cloud, you can't participate in the modern economy. Add to that the severe privacy risks. Digital payments and smart appliances inherently mean increased monitoring, right? This raises major, practical questions for everyone. Who actually owns your routine data? And more importantly, who protects it?
Which leaves us with a final, pretty provocative thought. Are you fully prepared to navigate the risks and the reskilling required for our new AI-integrated reality? We have seen today how deeply AI impacts your morning routine, and we've seen how it's completely rewriting global industries. It offers unprecedented convenience, no doubt, but it also demands constant adaptation. Thank you so much for joining this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.